Nobody can time the market. Nobody. So don't even try. Nobody can time the market. Just ask CNBC. Okay? This market is impossible. With Trump doing this stuff with China, now he's picking on Mexico, and he might increase the tax again from 5% to 25% through October. Oh my God. No, definitely can't time the market now. Nobody knows when to get in or get out. So I'm going back to bed. Yeah, okay. Hi everyone, I'm Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy. May 31st, 7:35. Let's take a look, real quick look. The SPX Daily. Well, first thing is, the VIX, told us to get long the VIX 18 days ago, which was your signal to, start getting out of the market to get some protection on. The SPX went short 8 days ago from courtesy of Swing Machine. And assuming one share, which you can't buy a share, you can get an option. Swing Machine has delivered 51, not dollars, but actually 51 points. And this is the trend. The Russell, one mini contract went short 15 days ago. That position, you'd be up 2,560. The ES contract short 10 days ago. One contract, 4,162. By the way, these are the entry prices. This is the time. This is the date. This gives us our trend information. The NASDAQ, the NQ, went short 10 days ago, 4,580 real time. And the Dow short 15 days ago, 1,700 some odd dollars. So in the last 2 weeks, 2,500 round numbers, that's 6,500, that's about 11,000, 12, 13,000 bucks with one contract. So you tell me, is our membership at $99.95 a month, is that expensive? I'm not sure. I mean, if you didn't capture any of that, then I suppose, might have good value. And if you're a level 2 member, we only have 2 base memberships. These are the currencies. These are the treasuries. Look at the treasuries. Wow. 132 days ago, 134, 134. What did the market know then? That's probably right about the time when they were saying, treasuries were going to, crash or some dang thing. I'm Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. Today, again, is May 31st. If you're tired of Donald Trump's tweet, we call this market Lake Okeechobee. If you're familiar with Florida at all, we have a great big lake in the middle of the state. It's miles and miles wide, and it's just one tweet deep. Do you want to be dependent on CNBC? The rodeo clown, Kramer? The fast money boys and girls? Isn't that embarrassing? Or are you going to get, tune in on Saturday morning, Neil Cavuto, beers and bull crap? That's no way to invest. That's no way to trade. That's passé. Years ago, we developed what we call the Swing Machine. Now, we trade this on an intraday basis. Yes, we definitely do. Just look this past week at some of our calls. We bought a call at 27.70 on the S&P and dumped it at 29.96. That paid over $2,000. We bought oil at 57.11 and dumped it close to 59. That paid well over 1,600, maybe a little bit more, if you held it a little longer. And then we put out a tweet just yesterday to get long gold. And that's up over $1,000. That's just what we tweeted out this week. $4,000 or $5,000 free tweets, which we don't ordinarily do, just to demonstrate how accurate and how great our systems are. Can you imagine what you would do if you had this on your machine and could drill it down? You want to look at the hourly? This is really cool. Let me do this. We got other systems giving us, here's the intraday view. So this is what you were just looking at. So the VIX went long 3 days ago, but here's the daily numbers. But look at the hourly numbers. 67 hours ago, up $3,000. Whoops. Up $3,000, $3,000, 2,100, over $3,000. Wouldn't you like to have that on your computer? Use it to time your options just a couple of times a month. Feel free. If you want to talk with me, I'm a real person. I'm not a broker. I'm not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. The good news for you is, at least at the moment, and we've been doing this for a few years, our idea, our concept is to share this technology with like-minded people who want to get serious about controlling this part of their life. Now, if you believe that you can't do it, well, then don't call. If you believe you can, please do. I'm happy to speak with you. I'll give you a hall pass, and I'll bring you into the system during the day while the markets are trading, and we'll look at all the other various setups, systems that we use. This wasn't developed in the last year. Wasn't developed in the last 5 years, 10 years. This is like 15, 20 years ago. This is a lifetime of work. It's the TradeStation platform, but it's our proprietary software from what we have learned from trading our own money over the years, plugged into it, and we share this, with our folks, our private members, with the idea that you're going to develop your own game, and we're going to learn from you. Where else? Do we do stocks and ETFs? Sure. Let's take a look at I'll give you a view on a day like today. Now, these are not leveraged. This is assuming you had 100 shares. Look at the QQQ, the Dime, and the SPY. They went short back on May 20th. Short. May 13th, May 23rd, May 14th. Short. The sectors. Look at all the sectors. This is when they went short. At what price? At what time? At what date? And gives you daily, and we provide this to you, daily, objective, consistent trend information so that you can manage your own bread. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. My phone number, 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. The futures markets now have what we call micro contracts. There's never been a better time to be learning how to do futures. You sick of just waking up in the morning, Trump tweets something out after the market and you can't do anything about it. You can't hedge yourself. You get blown out, on an option. Now is a great time. Now, if you're learning from CNBC, hey, stay with them. But, if you're looking for real people trading their real money, and we're a boutique. We're kind of a boutique mentorship. We don't advertise. It's word of mouth. We kind of want it that way. Good luck, everybody. Feel free to give me a call. By the way, you can call during the day. You can call on a weekend. You can call on a Sunday. Don't stand on protocol. Okay? If you're ready, we're ready. If I can answer the phone, I will. And I'll speak with you. As the scene shows in the movie Bag of Ants, when the caddy's talking to the golfer, says you can either start or you can stop. Up to you.